Today I'm going to be reviewing Doublewood KSM Ashwagandha supplement, 600 milligrams, 120 capsules. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. You take 2 of these a day. Let's take a look at how big they are. Not too big. Here we go. There, and there's the other. Not too big. Some people, they're not quite horse pills. Some people might think they're big. I didn't have any issues taking them. So why would you want it? Well, it helps with sleep, helps with stress, energy levels, and overall well-being. Take 2 capsules a day. You can take it with food or no food. You can take it at night or in the morning, and it does combine well with some of their other supplements. What's nice is this is third-party checked for things like mercury and other bad things that we don't want on our supplements, so they're checked. And you can tell this does really well on Amazon. This is an Amazon overall pick. It's got 4.5 stars, over 3,300 reviews, and last month 3,000 plus of these were bought. So people are buying them, people are liking them. I'm not seeing that people are returning them. When you get that much buying going on Amazon, people are definitely liking it and giving it a try. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.